In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell Wix website templates for 2025 in a step-by-step process. If you've been looking to turn your creativity into a business, selling website templates is a fantastic way to do just that, especially with the growing demand for unique and professionally designed websites. First, you'll want to create and customize your own Wix template. This is where your design skills will truly shine. Using either the Wix editor or Studio editor, you should focus on crafting a design that is not only visually appealing, but also highly functional. It's important that your template is responsive, meaning it looks great on both desktop and mobile devices, and fast loading, as nobody likes waiting for a page to load. A high-quality template will not only satisfy your buyers, but will also lead to more positive reviews and repeat customers. Next on the agenda is setting up a digital sales platform. You have a couple of options here. One option is to create a shop on platforms like Etsy, which is known for hosting digital sales. Alternatively, you can build your own online store using Wix's digital product features. This not only gives you control over your branding, but also allows you to manage your sales more directly. Whichever platform you choose, make sure it's user-friendly and provides a seamless purchasing experience for your customers. Once your sales platform is ready, it's time to create your product listing. This is your chance to grab the viewer's attention and communicate what makes your template special. Start with crafting a clear and concise product title and description. This will help potential buyers understand the benefits of your template at a glance. It's also crucial to use professional mockups. These are images that show your design on devices like laptops and smartphones. They give buyers a real feel of how the template will look in action. Set a competitive price and specify the quantity available to create urgency and attract interested buyers. Getting your template ready for delivery is the next crucial step. To do this, create a PDF that includes a direct link to your website template. This PDF will be what buyers receive upon purchase, allowing them to easily access and link the template to their own Wix accounts. A well-constructed delivery method adds to the professionalism of your service. Finally, when someone purchases your template, you'll need to transfer ownership. Navigate to the website settings, locate ownership, and change the owner to the buyer's email address. This process ensures that the buyer can fully utilize and customize the template as their own. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to selling Wix website templates successfully. Remember, the key elements are high-quality design, a user-friendly sales platform, and efficient transfer of ownership. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!